Mickey Cohen was a prominent figure in organized crime during the mid-20th century. Known as the King of the Sunset Strip, Cohen gained power and notoriety as a mobster and racketeer in Los Angeles. In this video, we explore the life, criminal activities, and impact of Mickey Cohen. Meyer Harris Cohen, popularly known as Mickey Cohen, was born on September 4, 1913, in Brooklyn, New York. During his formative years, he became influenced by the criminal elements present in his neighborhood, which eventually led him into the world of organized crime. Cohen first gained prominence in the 1930s as an associate of mobster Benjamin Bugsy Siegel, with whom he developed a close relationship. Following Siegel's death in 1947, Cohen inherited some of his criminal operations and expanded his influence in the Los Angeles underworld. Mickey Cohen's criminal activities primarily revolved around gambling, extortion, drug trafficking, and labor racketeering. He established a strong presence in Los Angeles, particularly on the Sunset Strip, where he controlled illegal gambling operations and nightclubs. Cohen had a reputation for being ruthless and violent, but he also cultivated relationships with celebrities, politicians, and law enforcement officers, which gave him a certain level of protection and influence. He used his connections to expand his criminal empire and evade law enforcement. Throughout his criminal career, Cohen faced numerous legal troubles. He was arrested and convicted several times on charges ranging from tax evasion to contempt of court. However, he was known for his ability to wriggle out of serious charges, earning him the nickname the Teflon Mickey due to his perceived invincibility. Ultimately, Cohen's downfall came in 1950 when he was convicted of income tax evasion and sentenced to prison. This significantly weakened his hold on the Los Angeles criminal underworld, and he never regained the same level of power upon his release in 1955. After serving his prison sentence, Mickey Cohen attempted to regain his previous influence, but faced challenges from rival gangsters and organized crime figures. In the 1960s, he gradually faded from the criminal landscape and turned to a quieter life, becoming a celebrity bodyguard and a somewhat reformed character. Cohen passed away on July 29, 1976, due to stomach cancer. While he may not have achieved the same level of notoriety as some other mobsters, his involvement in Los Angeles organized crime left a lasting legacy in the city's criminal history. Mickey Cohen was a significant figure in organized crime, particularly in Los Angeles during the mid-20th century. His rise to power, criminal activities, and influence on the Sunset Strip left an indelible mark on the city's history. While he faced legal troubles and ultimately saw a decline in his power, Mickey Cohen remains a captivating figure in the annals of American organized crime.